KidsVision TV. Hi kids, today we are going to show you how you can draw and color rainbow drawing step by step. Let's start by drawing. First I'm drawing a flower. And another flower. Hope you enjoy this video. Now let's draw the rainbow layers with me. Let's draw first layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer, fifth layer, sixth layer, seventh layer. Let's start coloring. Now let's color the rainbow layers with me. Let's color first layer. Red color. I'm coloring first layer. Color. I'm coloring second layer. If you guys like my videos, then like, subscribe and share to get every new video on my YouTube channel. Color. I'm coloring third layer. Fourth layer. Green color. I'm coloring fourth layer. Fifth layer. Light blue. Now I'm coloring fifth layer. Sixth layer. Pink color. I'm coloring sixth layer. Seventh layer. Violet color. And let's the last one layer coloring. Now I'm coloring a rainbow flower. Color the rainbow flower circle. Red color. And another rainbow flower circle. Flower. Yellow color. Orange color. Violet color. Light blue. rainbow flower. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Light blue. Violet color. Subscribe us for more videos.